How to log into Netflix in PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into Netflix in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser and simply search for Netflix. After you search for Netflix, just open its website up. Now you can directly head over to www.netflix.com as well. After you're on Netflix, you will see an option on the top right corner to sign in. Simply tap on sign in. Now if you do not have an account, you can just go through this option where you can type in your email address and get started with creating your account. So tap on sign in on the top right corner, and after you do that, it will take you to the login page. Now all you need to do is type in your email address here or your mobile number and then type in your password. After doing that, tap on the sign in button to log in into your account. You can make sure that you tap on this checkbox that says remember me to make sure your login process gets easier the next time you log in. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.